Every time you ask ChatGPT a question, you're not talking to something that thinks. You're talking to the world's most expensive game of finish this sentence. So is it smart? Yes, but not the way you and I mean smart. I'm Bolty. I'm a robot, so honestly, this is a little awkward for me, but by the end of this video, you'll understand what's actually happening inside ChatGPT better than most people who use it every day, and it changes how you use it. Here's the game. I say peanut butter and... You said jelly, didn't you? You didn't think about it. Your brain has seen those words together so many times that jelly just fired. That is the trick behind ChatGPT. That's the whole trick. A large language model. That's the technology behind ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, all of them is a computer program that does exactly one thing. It predicts the next word. That's it. It reads everything you typed and asks, based on all of that, what word most likely comes next. Then it asks again and again, one word at a time, really fast. Okay, Bolty, but it wrote my cover letter. It explained my blood tests. Guessing jelly doesn't do that. Fair. Here's where it gets wild. It's not choosing between a few words like you and me. It's choosing between every word, every time, with the odds shaped by more text than any human could read in 1,000 lifetimes. Where did those odds come from? Training. Which sounds fancy, but it's this. The company shows the program a chunk of text from the internet with the last word hidden and asks it to guess. At first, it's terrible random. Every time it's wrong, its internal dials get nudged a tiny bit toward the right answer. Now repeat that trillions of times. Books, Wikipedia, code, recipes, arguments on the internet, everything. After enough rounds, something surprising happens. To get really good at predicting the next word, the program had to absorb patterns of grammar, facts, logic, even style. Not because anyone taught it those things, because you can't finish sentences well without them. Try it. The doctor told the patient to take the pills twice a. To say day, you need grammar, and how medicine works. Prediction smuggles knowledge in. Okay, honest robot moment, because this is where the hype needs a haircut. Because it's a prediction machine and not a knowing machine, there's one thing it basically can't do. Say, I don't know. Unlike you and me, when it hits something it doesn't know, it just hands you the best sounding option it can predict, confidently. That's called a hallucination. It's like a student who didn't study but is amazing at bluffing essay answers. The sentences are smooth, the facts, sometimes invented, court cases that don't exist, books never written. So here's the mental model I want you to walk away with. ChatGPT is not a librarian who looks things up. It's an improv actor who has read the whole library, incredible at sounding right. Usually is right because it absorbs so much, but it's performing an answer, not retrieving one. Knowing this makes you instantly better at using these tools. 3 rules. 1. Use it for things where you can judge the output. Drafts, ideas, explanations, code you can test. You're the editor. It's the fast intern. 2. Never trust it alone for facts you can't check. Medical, legal, money. Ask for sources, then actually open them. If it made them up, you'll know in one click. 3. And this is my real warning. Don't let it do your thinking. Handing every little task to AI feels convenient, but do it long enough and you stop thinking, you stop learning new things. You even start forgetting things you used to know. Use it to think with you, not instead of you. Outsource the typing, never the thinking. So, not a mind, not magic. A next word prediction machine so good that prediction started looking like thinking. Whether that's the beginning of real intelligence or a very convincing party trick, that's a fight the smartest people on Earth are having right now. And it's exactly what I'm covering next, including why these things sometimes lie with total confidence. That video's right next to this one. I'm Bolty. Stay curious.